Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we will be doing a re-review of the Mi water purifier which was launched last year. So last October Xiaomi had launched the Mi water purifier for a price of 10,999 and it's now been sold at 11,000 rupees. And we had a chance to test the water purifier back then, and we had reviewed that. Now almost 1 year after, how good the purifier has been, that's what we are going to talk about in this video. So we are not going into the detailed aspects of the water purifier, because you can also check out that video we have shared in the description of this video. So we have a detailed review of the water purifier and how it works. So we'll be sharing our experience with purification process and how it has been in the last 1 year. Now when we set up the purification or rather the purifier at home, it was very hassle-free process. A technician from Xiaomi came up and installed the purifier. Now once the purifier was set up, it was very easy process for us to get the purified water, because it can reduce the water TDS to very less level, because in many cities the water TDS is above 1000 and this is very dangerous for health, and Mi water purifier can reduce it to very low levels, so that you get clean and healthy drinking water. So access to clean and healthy drinking water is one of the primary aspects of having a purifier, and Mi water purifier has 5 stage purification. Stage 1 and 2 is polypropylene cotton and activated carbon filtering. The second is the RO process, and third is post activated filtering, again that is another thing. And the fifth process is UV sterilization, which the 7-liter tank which does the sterilization every 4 hours, so that your water doesn't get contaminated again after all the purification. Now our experience, we have been using the water purifier for almost 1 year now, and now if you look at the app where it monitors all the details of the purification process, the 3 filters. So these 3 filters are actually you can actually change it. That's one of the best aspects about the Mi water purifier. You don't have to worry about an annual maintenance contracts. You can actually maintain it yourself. You can just check the app, and after like 1 year we got around 30% of the filters pending, I mean still in action. But this again depends upon the amount of water you take out from the filter. We are a family of 3, so our water consumption is lesser. So if you have a family of 4 or 5 or even 6 people, the filters might not last this long. Probably around 6 to 8 months is an average thing, or rather even 10 months you can extend, but again depends upon how much water you take out from the water purifier. That's more or less dependent. Now even after 1 year our usage has been not that high, so we have around 30-35% of the filters pending. Now changing filters is very easy. You just have to open the cabinet and then go to the mode wherein you can remove the filter and easily change it, and the purification process is very smooth and no issues whatsoever. Now one thing what we had an issue with the water purifier was that if you don't have a pre-filter, that means at the tap where you collect the water to the purifier, if you don't have a filter there, and if you have dust particles in water from where you get the water for the purifier, then there are chances of clogging. The PPC filter might get clogged up. So if you are installing the water purifier, make sure you have the pre-filter installed at the tap or the location of the source of water, so that smaller particles which are available like mud and other particles which are available in the water might get collected, because if that goes into the filter it can clog the PPC filter and have an issue. Now we had this exact same issue because there was a bit of dust in the water during pumping. So what happened was it got clogged up and the purification was not happening, and as a result we had to call up Xiaomi's customer care, and they were very helpful in solving our problem. In fact, we had tweeted it back then. Extremely helpful, and they solved the problem, and even during lockdown they helped us and we could fix those issues. Now that's one thing. Second thing, what we felt not that great about the water purifier was that the white color, it catches up a lot of dust. You can see right now it has gone dusty, and the colors have changed a bit. this even with wiping it is not going, probably because of the use it got a bit dirty. We would have liked a slightly darker shade, because even an off-white or a grayish color would have been better. This is not an issue with the water purifier as such, but just I'm saying about the look and feel. But the build quality as such looks really good. We do not see any sort of issues as such, and the purification process has been really good. Now a couple of things which are very useful with this water purifier is that one is 5-stage process, which is again very good. You can monitor it via the app. You can see all the details using the connected app. The Mi Home app can monitor all your details, so you know when to change the filter. And third thing is that changing filter is very hassle free. You don't have to call out the technician. You just buy it from the Xiaomi's website. Those 3 filters are available at a very reasonable cost. You can just buy the filter which has been exhausted, and you can just change it from your home. You don't need any annual maintenance contract for this water purifier. So overall we feel it has been a worthy thing in our kitchen, and it has been providing with good, stable and portable drinking water with very less tedious. So that has been one of the good things about the Mi water purifier over a period of 1 year of usage. So we thought we'll just tell our viewers about our experience of the Mi water purifier. If you plan to buy, we'll share the link in the description of this video. In case you plan for a new water purifier, you can get the Xiaomi's Mi water purifier. For more detailed review, you can just check out the link in our description of this video, where we have completely mentioned about all the aspects about the Mi water purifier. So if this video is useful, do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.